Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic, abacus. So whatever I taught in 3 levels, so all that information I'm going to tell you in 15 minutes. The whole concept of addition. So what are the different methods we are using in addition, and we will try to solve the example problems for each and every method. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I will see tool. So this is tool 17 dot tool. So here middle you have answering bar, and you have some upper beats and lower beats. Upper beats you need to use only thumb finger, and for the remaining 3 operation you need to index finger. So for the upper beat up and down, and to lower your lower beats we should use your index finger. So let's start set the values on abacus. So first one is 0. If all the beats are up and low beats are down, then it is 0. So we will read our answer from answering bar. Whoever touches the answering bar, so that's our final result. Let's set the value 0. 2 means you need to put the 2 beats from lower side. So all the lower beats represent multiples of an, upper beat is multiples of 5. Next one is 1 0 10 means here we need to use tens place and ones place. Tens place 1 and ones place you shouldn't do anything 0. Next 1 3 13. Next 4 9 49. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9. So with the help of 5 we will set above 5 values. Okay, then 65, 5 plus 1 6, 565, then 78, 5 plus 2 7, then 5 plus 3 8, 78, then 100, 100. So you need to shift to the next position, which is hundreds column. Now we understand how to set the values. If you didn't get anything, just watch the video again and again. So next one is what are the different addition methods we have. So we have first one is direct method. We no need to apply any formula. Next we have small friend. So in that you have 8 formulas, 4 for the positive numbers and 4 for the negative numbers. All the formulas are same, just you need to change the sign of each number. So when you couldn't able to solve using direct method, you should go for small friend. If you couldn't able to use small friend, then you need to go for big friend. So big friend we have a bit more formulas, 1 to 9 for positive numbers and 1 to 9 for negative numbers. So here order is very important. First you need to solve with the direct method. If you can't do, then you need to go for small friend. If you can't do, then we need to go for big friend. If you can't do with the big friend, then we need to go for the combination method. So combination method we have very few formulas like 6 7 8 9, 4 formulas for the positive numbers and 4 formula for the negative numbers. Whenever you're trying to solve the problems, keep all the formulas handy so that you will better understand what you're doing. For initial days, you need to carry all these formulas throughout your working examples, but later on, once you're used to, you no need to keep any handy paper. All the formulas will be there inside of your brain. Okay, so let's start. So I'm going to take our first question. So what's the first question? First question is how to do addition and subtraction using direct method. So we know how to add the values. So how to subtract the values? If you move bits away from the answering bar, means that's a subtraction. For the subtraction you will use your index finger. Okay, so to bring it up lower bits you will use thumb finger. 4. So we need to use our thumb because 4 is we can represent using our lower bits. 4 minus 2. So minus 2 means you need to subtract 2. Then plus 5 direct, then minus 2 direct. So the answer is 5. So I wrote all the formulas here and I will keep it handy. Next question, 2 plus 1 plus 6. So how to set plus 6? 5 plus 1. Okay, then minus 7. So you need to remove from both sides 5 and downside 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So you are removing 7. So the answer is 2. Suppose if you want to remove 6, then it is 5 plus 1. If you want to remove 7, 5 plus 2. If you want to remove 8, 5 plus 3. If you want to remove 9, 5 plus 4 you need to remove. Okay, so you can cross verify initially. If you want, Okay, so we are done with the direct method. Here we no need to use any formulas. Let's see the next method, small friend method. So here we have two numbers AB. When you add the two numbers combination, we will get result as 5. So this is called small friend method or complementary number with respect to 5, because here whatever the combinations we have, they are complement to each other. 1 complement to 4, 4 complement to 1, 2 complement 3, 3 complement 2. So first one 1 plus 3 we can do directly, so we did. Next we have plus 1. So how to add plus 1? We don't have bits here from lower side to add 1. So we need to take up our small friend help, which is 5. Okay, and then what is the formula? You need to add 5 and remove 4 to get 1. So that's what we are doing here. Plus 5 minus 4. Next one is we need to add 2. So if you have bits, you add direct. So we did. Then the answer is 7. So next question. 3 plus 1, then plus 2. How to add plus 2? Plus 5 minus 3. Okay, so that's the formula. Actually we don't have 2 bits, so we are using small friend because 5 is available. Then plus 5 minus 3. Then we need to do minus 5. Sorry, here I didn't do minus 5. I wrote the answer directly. But you try to do minus 5. Yeah. And then what's the answer? 1. So just update 6 as 1. It's a overlooked mistake. Next one is 1 plus 1. So direct you can do it. Plus 3. But we don't have 3 bits. We have only 2 bits. Then we need to go for small friend method, which is plus 5 minus 2. So to add 3 we need to add 5 and then remove 2. Okay, next we have plus 2. So we can do it directly, plus 2. So the answer is 5 plus 2, which is 7. Okay, let's do next question. So we are using all the small friend formulas. 1 plus 1 plus 4. How to add 4? We don't have 4 bits. Then plus 5 minus 1, then minus 1. You can do direct method. So the answer is 5. So write down 5. Next, after that, next question. 2 plus 3. So how to add plus 3? You can't add direct method. So we need to go for small friend method. What's the small friend saying? Plus 5 minus 2. So then minus 1. How to do minus 1? We can't do minus 1. We don't have lower bit. Then we need to look for the negative formulas. Minus 5 plus 4 means take out 5 then add 4 to get minus 1. Correct, right? Minus 5 plus 4. Yeah. Then we need to do, I think, plus 2. Yeah, minus 1 finished, then plus 2. So how to add plus 2? Plus 5 minus 3. So the answer is 6. Next question. 6 minus 2. So how to do minus 2? Minus 5 plus 3. Then plus 1. How to do plus 1? Plus 5 minus 4. Then again minus 2. How to do minus 2? Minus 5 plus 3. So the answer is 3. Next question. 3 plus 3. How to do plus 3? Plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 3. How to do minus 3? Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. Then again plus 2. How to do plus 2? Plus 5 minus 3. So the answer is 5. Next one. 3 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3, then minus 4. How to do minus 4? You need to use negative formulas. Minus 5 plus 1, then plus 2, direct method. So the answer is 3. So we tried to cover all the formulas from small friend, then we go for big friend. So when we need to use our big friend, let's find the example why we need to go for big friend method. So let's take our first example. 5 plus 4. So we can do directly 5 plus 4. It's not a issue. Then how to add plus 1? So if you want to add plus 1, so you should have small friend. But we don't have small friend. And we can't do using direct method. So direct method you can't do. Small friend you can't do. So the next method is big friend. What is big friend is saying to get 1 bit. So you need to take the help of 10. So where I need to add 10. so the next left column, okay, the next neighbor column. So plus 10, what's the formula? Plus 10 minus 9. Okay, so you need to add 10, then remove 9 in one's column. Okay, whenever you're adding 10, you should add next left column. Next 10 plus 2, 2 directly you can do it. So the answer is 1 to 12. Next question, 6 plus 3 direct we can do. Next plus 2. So for plus 2, the formula is plus 10 minus 8. Okay, then we have plus 2 again. So we can add directly. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Okay, next question, 5 plus 5. So here we can't add one more 5 because we don't have beads. So what's the formula? Plus 10 minus 5. Okay, again he's asking to add 5, so we can add directly, not an issue. Then we need to add 3 beads. So the answer is 1, 8, 18. Next question, 9. So how to set 9? 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, then plus 6. How to add plus 6? Plus 10 minus 4, then plus 3. Minus 5, then plus 3. So the answer is 1, 3, 13. Next question, 8 plus 7. So how to add plus 1? Plus 10 minus 3, then plus 2, then plus 1. So the answer is 1, 8, 18. Let's do next questions. So now we have seen big friend method. A plus b is equal to 10 means here we are finding the complementary number with respect to 10. So next one is combination method, which is also called it as compound complementary method, because here we are using both the methods, small friend and big friend. Let's start the problem. 5 plus 6. How to add plus 6 plus 10 minus 4? But we don't have 4 bits to remove. Then that time we need to go for combination method, where we can't apply our big friend method, because big friend method is saying to get 6 we need to add 10 then subtract 4. How to subtract 4? So we can't subtract, we don't have bits to subtract, so we need to go for combination method. What's the combination method is saying? It's a combination of big friend and small friend. 6 big friend is 4 and then 4 small friend is 1. So we need to add for our big friends and small friend 1, means plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Similarly we have formulas for other numbers too, like 7 plus 10 minus 5 plus 2, and for the 8 plus 10 minus 5 plus 3, and for the 9 plus 10 minus 5 plus 9. Okay, so 5 plus 6. So how to get the 6? Plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Okay, yeah. Next we have plus 5, one more 5. That's it, that's the answer. 1, 6, 16. So let's see the next question. 5 plus 7. How to add 7 plus 10 minus 3? We can't apply. Big friend we can't apply, so we need to go for combination. Plus 10 minus 5 plus 2, then plus 2 again you can do directly. So the answer is 1, 4, 14. Next question, 5 plus 8 minus 2. Minus 2 means answer is 1, 1, 11. Next question, 7 plus 7 minus 9 plus 6. Yes, next question, 7 plus 7. How to add 7 plus 7? First 7, and then for the next 7 we need to go for plus 10 minus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 1, 4, 14. Then we need to do minus 9. What's the formula? Minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. So let's apply that formula. Minus 10 plus 5 minus 4. Then we got 5. So for 5 you need to add 6. How to add 6? Plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. So just I added it. So the answer is 1, 1, 11. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I think you got all the problems. If you didn't get any problems, let me know in the comment box. Try to do more examples so that you can familiar with the concepts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. If you feel difficult,
don't forget,
then try to follow level by level videos.